Guys, it's Will here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky, and today I got a super awesome Jeep build. This is a 2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392, and as if that just wasn't enough, they decided to send this one off to AEV, which is American Expedition Vehicles, and they did their thing, you know. They did the JL-370 Conversion Kit, and I'll kind of get into some of those details. But for now, I'm gonna show you guys the window sticker. So from the factory, MSRP was just under 100 grand. And what the optional equipment that would get you was the all-weather floor mats. You got the satin black grille, Sky One-Touch PowerTop. You got your worn winch, painted fenders. But you see, AEV, that wasn't enough. They decided to do their thing and do a few upgrades. As you can see here, we got some suspension, we got an AEV 2.5-inch lift, Bilstein 8100 series shocks, got the satin black AEV Bora wheels with the Onyx gray protection ring, got front and rear AEV diff covers. I mean, a lot of good upgrades, guys, a lot of good upgrades. And right now we got this one, it was originally, let's go back, $125,517. That was after it got out of AEV's hands. You won't believe this, we got this one $30,000 off from that original MSRP. Super great bright white 392. Got a great 6.4 liter V8. I'll kind of get into some of the details as I walk around for you guys. So here you can see we got our 2.5-inch lift. We got the 37-inch BFG KO2 tires, and those are going to be wrapped around the 17-inch satin black AEV Bora wheels. And then you got the Onyx gray bead ring. Looks really good. It really complements the white with the black and gold badging. And of course, standard, you got your rock rails. Got your AEV badging, proven worldwide. This is one thing I really like about some of these Jeeps is the fender extensions. Super convenient, but also functional. Got your paint to match fenders. Here's your worn winch. You also got the 20-inch amber LED light bar tucked in the front bumper. Super great, clean look. Give you guys a little interior shot as well. So as I mentioned before, it's got the Sky One-Touch PowerTop, got the 12.3-inch touchscreen display. And I really love these seats. Got the red leather with the red Rubicon 392 stitching in them. And we also got the AEV stitching in the headrest. Looks super good, and that stitching for the AEV is going to go all the way around on all the headrests inside the vehicles. I mean, this one just got traded in. I believe it came out of Georgia. It's a one owner, low miles. I believe it's just under 8,000 miles. You're also going to get the rear steel bumper. Got your little mud flaps. Got another AEV badging here on the rear. LED taillights. Gonna give you an up close on these fender extensions. Looks super clean. They also upgraded the tire carrier. That's also gonna include the Fuel Caddy. Super convenient when you're off-roading and, you know, when that V8's chewing up all that fuel, you're out there having fun. Super convenient to have. Now here we also got the Bilstein 8100 series shocks. Got a super great ride quality. I mean, all around, this is a super nice Jeep for a great price. And we got it right here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky, you guys. Just want to thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Do you like the red interior? Do you not? Do you like the bright white paint? I mean, personally, I think it looks great, but I want to hear what you guys think. Now also be sure to check out our website. That's going to be crossjeep.com. Feel free to message or call me. My phone number is going to be 502-537 1738. Thank you guys. Appreciate you all watching.